Hello, welcome to BJC Online Budgeting. Just like the income statement application, salary is organized by a series of division and department tasks. Unlike income statement, the ability to change information is fairly task specific. As you can see from the task list, there is no overlap between division and department tasks. Again, the tasks and forms may be performed in any order. What is displayed is only a suggestion. In this training, you will learn the basics of updating salary information using the department task list. Within salary department level planning, there are 5 tasks. Update salary for volume changes, adjust job code variability settings, budgeted FTEs hours and dollars, move salary details to income statement, and add a job code employed. Add a job code employed is covered in the training session Add a Job Code. When updating departments in the salary application, it is best practice to begin with the form Update Salary for Volume Changes. When updating volume in the income statement, all stat changes are automatically moved to the salary application, but not calculated. As a reminder, there are others who are updating the same departments and volume may have been updated. Always running this form before modifying a department ensures that the department is updated and calculating correctly. Select your division. I'm selecting 151 and I want to update Department MRI, project or no project. If I had changed any one of these division members, I would select Go to refresh the form and then select Save. Check that the data has been saved and the rule was run successfully, and then select OK. The next task, Adjust Job Code Variability Settings, allows you to review and adjust the job code variability in a department. Job code variability is loaded prior to seating and is provided by the Business Unit Finance Department. However, it may be modified after budget opens. Variability determines how a job code is calculated. Variable job codes fluctuate on volume. If you are unfamiliar with the job code variability settings, review the data before budgeting to ensure you understand the calculations being performed on the job code. To update the job code variability, select your division, department, project or no project, and select Go. I'm going to default to the last department I selected. In the variability column, selecting a cell displays a down arrow to allow fixed or variable to be chosen. You may change the variability here. I'm going to leave this variability as variable. And in the percent variable column, I'm going to input a percent. That job code is variable. In this example, I will change the variability of job code 281102 to 80%. Type in 0.8, select Save, and check that the data has been saved and the rule was run successfully. Select OK. A job code with 80% variability will be calculated as 80% variable and 20% fixed. A full overview of fixed and variable calculations may be found in the Hyperion training manual. The next task, Budgeted FTEs, Hours, and Dollars, is where all the magic happens. Select the Expand button to view all the tasks. Open the Adjust Starting FTE form. As with all forms, select the division, department, project or no project, and then select Go to update the form. Use this form to update the FTEs in a department by job code. The total budget columns represent the number of FTEs by month and year to date. When reviewing the data, notice that the data rarely reflects a whole number. FTEs are calculations, hours divided by a monthly FTE factor, not employees. Those hours include PTO accruals and time off taken for that month. Discuss with your finance team how your organization budgets FTEs. Using the Productivity Adjustments section to the right, modify the starting FTEs by month or by entering annual FTEs in the BEG balance column. If BEG balance is used, FTEs are spread on history. In this example, I will increase the FTEs of 281105 to 2 FTEs per month. And change job code 281109 to 11 using total BEG balance. Select Save. Check that the data has been saved and the rule is run successfully. Select OK. Review the total budget columns to verify your data. You can see where we increase the FTEs to 2 per month for job code 281105 and the total number of FTEs to 11 in job code 281109. In the form Adjust Budgeted Base Rates, you may adjust salary rates for each job code in a department. A rate is calculated for each salary account, regular, overtime, adjustments, etc., for each job code. This information is based upon data from PeopleSoft Payroll. Rates include salary planning or market adjustments and are an average of total salaries divided by total hours per job code in that department. To change a rate in the current department, select the pay type. In this case, I will choose regular and choose the desired amount. Select Save. The new rate will display in the Total Budget Start Rate column, and the adjustment will be shown in the Budget Start Rate Adjustment column. The Budget Start Rate column is a quick reference to see the original seated rate. The form Adjust FTE Allocations allows you to adjust an FTE allocation by pay type, regular, overtime, adjustments, and so on, by entering the percent in the target column. All allocations must equal 100%. I'll change paid time off for job code 071109 to 15%. Notice that the regular allocation is 84.34%. Select Save. Make sure that the data has been saved and the rule was run successfully. Select OK. Since allocations must equal 100%, the form will force the total allocation to 100% by plugging the difference in regular FTEs, making the new regular amount 78.88%. This form does not allow for FTE adjustments. To modify the FTEs, return to the task Adjust Starting FTEs. Adjust Employee Benefits. The benefit accounts located in Adjust Employee Benefits are not controlled by corporate. Enter the monthly target amount or in BEG balance. If BEG balance is used, the total will spread upon history. If there is no history, BEG balance will spread on calendar days. I will enter $300 per month in account 604050. Select Save. The data has been saved. This is the rare form that has no rule attached to it. When saving the data, you are saving it directly to the database. Select OK. Lastly, move salary details to income statement. As you know, the income statement and salary applications are separate. However, although we budget salary accounts in the salary application, we also store the account detail in the income statement. Once you've completed the budget for a department, select Move Salary Details to Income Statement. Select your division, department, and project or no project, and select Save. This form moves the revised salary budget to the income statement application. The rule must be launched every time the salary budget is updated to see real-time results. Make sure the data has been saved and the rule is run successfully. Select OK. When the department moves to the income statement, the department is automatically aggregated in income statement. However, the division is not aggregated. To do business unit reporting, aggregate the division in the income statement. If you are a planner, contact the finance administrator for your organization. If the step Move Salary Details to Income Statement is omitted, salary information is moved as part of the overnight maintenance process. All information provided in this training session and more may be found in the Hyperion Training Manual located on the BJC SharePoint site or in SABA.